Hi guys, today I had a problem with my Honda CR-V EX. I was trying to start it and it does not start, and when I start it, it just does this. Yeah, it only blinks the lights and does nothing. And I tried it a couple of times and no luck. So I tried different ways, like keeping the key near to the start button. I saw a few videos where it says there might be an issues with the ignition unlock. So I tried keeping the key near to the start button, but it does not do anything. It didn't start. So I gave a couple of tries, and then I had to jump start with another battery, and I then took to the dealer to check the battery.
It doesn't start. I'm trying to push start.
I tried different ways,
I'm gonna press it.
but no luck.
It stops, guys.
So when I took this took the car to dealer,
That's what happened.
they said that we need to replace the battery. So they diagnosed the battery and found that it need to be replaced, and that's all it is. And after replacing the battery, it just starts like that. So if you have same issue, better, I think the problem is with the battery, and you might replace it.